Are you looking for the perfect under-seat luggage? Introducing the travel-ready Underseat Luggage. It features a collapsible design that allows it to expand from 9.5 cm to 20 cm. With its 19 litres of storage, it can hold all your in-flight essentials and keep it within reach. Specifically designed to meet airline luggage restrictions, and its compact design makes it fit right under the seat. Made of RIPSTOP polyester material, a durable fabric which is also used for paragliding canopies and tents. Its three-way convertible design allows you to attach it to the luggage handle, carry it on your shoulders, or simply roll it on board with its retractable handle and two stable wheels. There you have it, a collapsible two-wheel underseat luggage that meets baggage restrictions and practical. Travel-ready underseat luggage for an effortless travel journey.